treats, evil mummy dogs, and some Franken treats. We will also be having a spooky guest later today on the show. So without further ado, let's get this Halloween started. Okay, so now we're going to start on our evil mummy dogs. And we have some crescent rolls, some vegan tofu pups,
and that thing,
butter, and a pan. So first we're going to make our wrappings for our mummies.
Sure. Then we need a little...
Oh yeah, she used it up. Okay. So now we just have to open these up.
I think we'll need something.
Into strips. He's going to use the roller. I'm just using the knife. I'm going to cut them into skinny strips. Okay guys, so we figured out this mess too. And now we're going to start taking our dogs and wrapping them. So basically just take one little thing. You're going to take your dog and just wrap it however you fancy. Just
like a mummy.
Beautiful mummy dog. Oh, looks
Nice.
like a mummy. His mummy dog. Don't flatten him. Don't flatten him.
My mummy dog, well wrapped and well tied by these mummy dogs at John.
And I'm actually gonna do another pattern where it's like an X. So now we're going to put our mummy dogs into the oven on 375 degrees. This has been preheating for the past hour, and now we're going to put it in there for 13 to 15 minutes. And next we're going to make our Frankenstein Rice Krispie treat.
It's actually 13 to 17 minutes.
Yeah.
Correct terms.
Boy, if you don't...
Correct terms. So now we're going to start on our Franken treats. And we have some Rice Krispies here. These are completely vegan, regular Kellogg's Rice Krispies. Then we have some new vegan frosting that we have by
And
Wholesome.
also some vegan marshmallows.
Yep, it's Dandies all natural vanilla marshmallows. We have some vegan chocolate sprinkles. The sprinkles. These are the chocolate chips. These are the vegan chocolate chips by Enjoy Life. We have
should
some
enjoy your life.
Popsicle sticks. We have some green food dye for our Frankenstein
Green stuff.
We have some wax paper,
We have some butter.
vegan butter, and spatulas right here. So now, and we also have our double boiler here and our regular pot that we're going to melt our marshmallows in. And our mummy dogs are almost done, if you didn't know that.
Yeah.
So now we're going to start making our vegan Frankenstein Rice Krispies. This is what the marshmallows look like when they are melted. We just put them in a pot. We have some vegan butter in here also. Okay, so our marshmallows are fully melted and our mummy dogs are out. So now we're going to finish making our Rice Krispie treats. So we're going to take 4 cups of Rice Krispie treats.
We're also gonna dye our marshmallows to look green like the Frankenstein.
Yeah, so first I'm going to put our 4 cups of Rice Krispie in here, and he's going to dye our marshmallows. Here is us mixing in the green food dye. We ended up adding a little more food dye because we wanted them to be a little more green, but you can do whatever you want.
Oh yeah.
Here is the double boiler with the chocolate chips. We are just melting them until they are nice and smooth. We had to put our marshmallows in the microwave for a little bit so they melted down a little bit more, and now they are very, very nice and green. So we have our Rice Krispies here. We have a huge bowl. We're just going to
Take that off somehow. Now.
and put our Rice Krispie marshmallow mix into here.
So now we're gonna cut these into 6 squares for our Franken.
Okay, now I'm going to cut them now. And 6 squares because this recipe makes it.
Yeah, I made it right.
Here I am forming the heads with the Rice Krispies. They are a little bit firm, but you just want to shape it into a head shape. And then you're going to take a popsicle stick and stick it into the bottom. Next, you're going to take some chocolate sauce and you're going to make some hair using the chocolate sauce. Just want to spread a little bit of the chocolate sauce using a spatula until you get as much hair as you want. Now I am forming the eyes using a homemade piping bag with the frosting. After you finish that, you want to use some black food gel and make pupils using that. We did not say that in the ingredients. And also you'll be using the black food gel for a mouth, and the sprinkles are for hairs. So you just sprinkle those on top of the frosting.
Okay, so all of our delicious stuff is done. Frankenstein Rice Krispies. And our special guest also. And our dogs. So now, without further ado, let's get to trying. Here is our uncle. And first, let's actually try a main course dish, which is our roll, guys. And I made a pig in a blanket here, by the way. And this is something we have some ketchup and mustard on the side. Ketchup and mustard. You ready? You grab one, too. Grab one. That tastes really good. Actually good. Really good.
What kind of hot dog?
Tofu.
Tofu hot dogs. They are awesome.
Okay, everybody grab one.
Oh
You
yeah.
can have that one.
You gotta be the little one, everybody.
They're Rice Krispies. And we made little faces on them. Yeah, okay. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Look.
Melody. That's good. It's vegan. Yeah. Put some ice cream. And dip in some ice cream. Vegan ice cream.
I put it down now.
Oh.
So, you guys should definitely make these delicious Halloween treats. So, you gotta like, subscribe, comment down below if you like these, and if you like mummy dogs, and what's your favorite type of dessert. And we will see you next time on Two Vegan Kids.
Okay, so Mom, how do I put the food coloring in this first?
Yes, say we melted our
Mom? Okay, I'm very hot and it's not working.
It's not melting?
No, it is. Yes, I got that. You're not on the camera. Get out. Hold on. Tell them that we finished. Hold on. Slow down, baby.